Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c : and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.